In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Google Tasks. Gone are the days when our tasks were scribbled on sticky notes scattered all over our desks. With Google Tasks, we can easily manage our to-do lists and enhance productivity, especially when working in teams. Let's start by getting you set up with Google Tasks. Begin by navigating to Google. It's your gateway to accessing not just Google Search, but also the myriad of services Google offers, including tasks. Once you're there, you'll need to access your Google account. This is your one-stop passport to all things Google. If you're not signed in, you'll find a sign in button, usually in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it. This is where the magic starts. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the one associated with your Google account. After inputting your email, you're halfway through the gate. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key that unlocks all your Google services, so keep it secure and confidential. Once you've entered your credentials, click on Next to proceed. Now you're in your Google dashboard. This is the command center for all your Google activities. Your next step is to locate the waffle icon. It's not just for breakfast anymore. This icon in the top right corner is your directory to all Google apps. Clicking on the waffle icon reveals a panel with various Google apps. Look for Calendar and click on it. Why Calendar, you ask? Because Google Tasks is integrated with your Google Calendar, allowing for seamless task management that aligns with your schedule. In Google Calendar, navigate to Settings. This is where you can fine-tune your Google Apps experience, tailoring it to your needs. You're looking for a specific setting that pertains to event sharing. Here you'll have the option to let others see all event invitations, provided they have permission to view or edit your events. This setting is pivotal for collaborating on tasks. It allows team members with access to your calendar to see what's on your plate, understand your availability better, and work more synergistically with you. Now, how does this all tie back to Google Tasks? By allowing your team visibility into your calendar events, you're setting a foundation for collaborative task management. When you create a task in Google Tasks and set a due date, it appears on your Google Calendar. If your team members can view your calendar, they'll be able to see these tasks as well. This transparency is crucial for project planning, meeting deadlines, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Here's a tip. When creating tasks, be clear and concise in your naming. This clarity is especially important when working in a team, as it ensures everyone understands what needs to be done and by when. Another pro tip is to make use of task descriptions and subtasks. This allows you to break down larger projects into manageable chunks, making it easier for you and your team to tackle complex tasks. So, why is this all important? Collaboration is key in today's fast-paced world. By integrating Google Tasks with Google Calendar and allowing your team insights into your tasks and availability, you're not just organizing your day-to-day, you're optimizing team productivity, streamlining project management, and pushing towards your collective goals with more efficiency and transparency. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting started with collaborating on Google Tasks. Remember, the most effective tool is the one you know how to use. So take a moment, play around with the settings, and see how Google Tasks can fit into your workflow. Whether you're working on a group project, planning an event, or simply managing your daily tasks, keep in mind that collaboration is about more than just sharing tasks. It's about communicating, setting expectations, and working together towards common goals. With these tips, you're well on your way to not just managing your tasks, but excelling in collaborative projects. Thank you for following along, and remember, productivity is just a task away. Happy collaborating.